The crown jewel of Morocco is a hollow, deceptively heavy right-hand sand point, fittingly known as the head of the snake, Safi.
Yeah, Safi for me, like, it's the best wave like in Morocco. It's a world-class wave, just like a big barrel.
It's my favorite wave in the world, by far. It takes time, you know, to surf it well. On the backhand, it's a very difficult wave. I've put a lot of practice there. When it's on, you spend 8 hours in the water. I don't come in. It's an incredible wave with incredible energy, and yeah, I love it.
When it's on, like, it's just like a big hollow barrel. When you come out, like, it's wow. It's like you can do the best wave of your life, definitely.
While Safi is internationally acknowledged as one of the best waves in the world, the city of Safi is world-renowned as one of Morocco's richest cultural centers for ceramic artisans and gorgeous red clay pottery. The Serghini family are synonymous with both the surf and ceramic scenes here in Safi. Mehdi is a partner in the Safi Invitational, an international tube riding event held for the first time this year. I had the pleasure of sitting on the beach watching some of the world's foremost tube specialists going pit for pit from dawn until well after dark. While Mehdi's efforts pulling off the first Safi Invitational drew international attention and acclaim, his father has long drawn attention and acclaim himself as one of the world's foremost ceramic artisans. Moulet's work lives in museums, palaces, and presidential residences all over the world. Walking through his factory was a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Your family obviously is a big part of it, but has Safi always been famous for ceramics and pottery?
Yes, it was famous for ceramics since the Phoenicians, 13,000 years before the first date. It's the Phoenicians that bring the ceramic culture to Safi, because Safi is very famous for the clay. It's red, full of oxide of iron.
Yeah.
That make it strong and compact. It make it like more shiny when it's on the kiln.
We have two exhibitions here. We have first exhibition is upstairs. Second exhibition is here. That's only traditional work and design and color also. How do you find my English?
Very good.
For centuries, these techniques have been passed down from generation to generation, and we knew just how truly lucky we were to witness a master at work.
Wow.
All these small details, it's wood. All this is handmade. All the small details. Actually, no contest.
The signature of the master. Shukran.
Caramba!